What's up, guys? I'm Rustin from rossmertech.com, and this is another tutorial in Swift programming. Now, in this class, I want to talk about assertions. So let's get started. Now, what are assertions? Well, assertions are used for debugging. You can create an assertion in a program to test for conditions or test for values. And if those values are present and these values are not supposed to be in the program, it stops the program. It allows you to debug and find out what's wrong. And with these assertions, you could write messages. So you could say value is supposed to be blah, value is supposed to be blah, and so on and so forth. So I'll give you an example. Let's create a constant value. So let's say let red equal -3, right? So red equals -3. And we can say assert is the keyword, and we're going to use this open and close parentheses, right? So inside this open and close parentheses, we're going to test conditions, and we're going to look for things to debug. If these certain values are present in the program will stop, and you can look for the problem and debug. So let's say red is greater than or equal to 0, right? So if red is greater than or equal to 0, then we're going to type in a message. So this message is going to be a string. So we're going to use two double quotes, right? In between these two double quotes, we're going to say number has to be greater than 0, right? So we can test out whether or not the number is less than 0. If the number is less than 0, this means something is wrong, right? So right now we gave a value of red -3, so it is less than 0, so it should stop the program and give us this message. So let's test it out. Let's hit play. Build field goes fix it and insert. Build field because I forgot to add a comma after this 0 here. So we got to add a comma right before we add the message. That's what happened. So whenever we were creating an assertion, right after the condition, you write a comma, then your message. So I forgot to do that. So let's hit play here. Build succeeded, and assertion failed. And it gave us a message here. It stopped the program, and it told us that the number has to be greater than 0, right? So that's pretty cool. So you basically use assertions when you want to test a certain condition, or if you want to test for a specific value in a program. You want to test whether or not if that value exists and the value is not supposed to be there, it'll stop the program so you can debug. So this is a neat debugging option that Swift programming lets you do, and it's great. Instead of running your entire line of code and everything is successful and a value is not supposed to be there, you can use an assertion and later on debug. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, please give me a like. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Rasim from rossmertech.com, and thanks for watching.